Alright, let's try not to laugh. Oh, that was a mouse. Is this on purpose? Oh, he's definitely not aware.
Wow.
Oh.
You are.
Oh! That was fake. Not good? No, not good. What is this?
Taser, taser, taser.
No one was harmed in this video. Oh my god, she's grabbing his. I saw this one. Why have I seen this before?
Holy.
What could possibly go wrong? That was terrible. What's he thinking? Oh my god. Okay. Why? What's with the motorcycle? Oh my goodness. He's like, this is mine. She took the cheesecake. Just a scary girl. That guy looks like Ed Sheeran. Nope. Oof. People just don't know how to mount horses. We have 3 horses. I'm guessing that's not his house. Ow, what are you doing that for?